The Titan One Stereolithography 3D printer is the most versatile and affordable professional-grade 3D printer on the market. The Titan One grows extremely high-resolution prints, which is ideal for printing jewelry, miniatures, and research models. It also possesses the largest effective build volume, which is perfect for art, architectural, engineering, and prototyping applications. The Titan One can print at staggering speeds. Kudo 3D's exclusive layer separation technology reduces stress on the printing model while also reducing the number of mechanical parts in the printer. Texas Instruments DLP projection cures each layer of resin at once, resulting in fast print speed. The Titan One is built for easy maintenance and upgrade, as all major components are modularized and commercially available. The Titan One is designed to provide users with the widest range of printing possibilities. Users can optimize speed, resolution, and size to fit their needs. Are you ready to explore your creativity?